Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna do a big house family tour. So this is the overview of the house. This is the backyard. There's the dad relaxing, sunbathing in the backyard. This is the overview of the house, and this is the balcony right here that is connected to the master bedroom, but we'll get to that later. And now let's go to the front of the house and let's do a house tour. So this is the bathroom, just a family bathroom, for the downstairs area. They don't usually use that, but it's just there, I guess. And here is the living room. It's technically not the actual living room, but it's like a lounge area. Here's Layla right here, just enjoying the house, I guess. And this is the kitchen. I like that the fridge is like separated. I don't know why. It's kind of enchanting to me. But the father actually cooks all the meals, and everyone loves his meals. He is a very good chef. This is the dining table where they eat. Yeah, pretty obvious. They have a high chair because they actually babysit people's kids. So that's kind of why there might be a little toddler toys or any of those things. So this is a Chinese souvenir that they got from China. Very expensive, but they got it to, celebrate the Chinese, I don't know. Anyways, let's go here. And let's go here. Okay, so this is actually the main living room. They usually sit here, watch TV, all those things. And this is another living room. They usually don't hang out here, but but sometimes they do when they want alone time or something like that. And over here, the living room is connected to the library because their daughter actually loves to read, and so does their mom. So this is the mom, Isla. Here she is. And she's gonna actually give us the upstairs tour with us. So let's bring her here. And let's go upstairs. So that's actually it for the bottom floor. So this is what it all looks like. Now, there's no door connecting to the backyard over here. There's only this door that goes here. So this is the backyard. Okay, now let's go upstairs. So, yeah. As she's coming, let's just view the downstairs room for a second. This is the two chairs that we have. So that's basically it of this room. So let's just let her come. Yep, she's here. So let's take a tour of the kids' rooms first. Let's do the daughter first, Nothing too special. This daughter doesn't really like to organize and keep her room nice and designy. She just wants a plain simple bed with a lamp. So she just has a chair for reading because, she loves to read. But she doesn't have a bookshelf here because they literally have a full-on library here. So as you can see, let's come from here. Let's go here. Yeah, kind of a little bit roomy here. So this is the closet area, and then this is her study desk, which she puts her study desk in a very private place so she can do her work peacefully because she wants to be a straight A student. So she works all day long, all those stuff. Her goal is to be literally a huge scientist in the world, Maybe she might be in the future. Maybe. Her name's Michaela, by the way. Hi, Michaela. Let's leave you alone now. Okay. So on to the bathroom. Oh, let me just do that. Let's put down the walls for a minute and let's see the view of the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. They do have a tub because I don't know, because when they were toddlers, they needed a tub. So there's a tub there. Let's go here now, which is the son's room. So he also is like his daughter. So this is the room. Very plain, so I say. So this is his play area, and he loves to do this. He plays literally every hour, hours and hours upon hours, and he never leaves this area here. His mom is a little concerned, so she might have to deal with that later. Anyways, this is his closet space, a little bit different than the daughter's. And let's take down the wall. There, much better. So this is, like I said, there are toddler toys. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there are toddler toys lying around here. All those things, because they take care of many kids. And usually, the brother always surprises them with costumes, and he likes playing with them, to be honest. He never really shows it, but he really likes playing with these toddlers for some reason. He likes playing dress up with them, I guess. So that's kind of weird, but that's also very nice that he actually does something but gaming. He is actually a straight A person. And so he's actually talented, and he thinks that he doesn't need to learn anything because he already is a fast thinker. And that is true, but he probably needs to practice sometimes. But his mom is definitely gonna put him a little study desk someday so he can study. So that's actually it for the kids area over here. Now let's go to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is very, very large and very spacious. They have a little kitty thingy. They do have 2 kitties. I don't know where they are. They're probably roaming around. Here is a very nice view, and this is where sometimes the father goes here, goes in the balcony, just has some fresh air in the dawn, And this is the sitting area. And they obviously have a TV because they love watching all the TV shows, everything. So, but they're a little bit sad because all the TV shows are gonna close because the time of day. We all know what it is. So, let's go here. And this is like a little closet space, very spacious and very nice. A bathroom, very large, extremely large. They really like large stuff, I guess, because this family likes large houses. And yeah, so this is a 3-bedroom house, and that's actually it for the tour. Now, if you liked it, please like or subscribe. But if you want more tours like this, just comment down below and tell me if you want it. So have a nice day and catch you later.